either are they going to break through and have a breakthrough, or is that going to stop them?
Stop.
Mm-hmm.
Which one are you going to choose? Are you going to be one of those people that's just, I've always wanted to, but
I'm not strong enough.
I'm not flexible enough.
I'm not smart enough.
I just don't think I'll be good.
I've always wanted to, but I don't have the money.
But I don't have the time.
But I don't have the equipment.
But this, that, the third.
And then I hear people say the phrase, I've always wanted to do martial arts, but I'm not fit enough. No. I've always wanted to do martial arts, but I hurt my knees. I don't think I can do it anymore. I've always wanted to do martial arts, but that was when I was younger. Those days are behind me. So what do you think about that?
To tell you the truth, what I thought about was the first thing. What's the phrase that Daddy used to say to us all the time? Go ahead.
Think another phrase.
I think I'm not even going to say it.
Our whole family knows this phrase.
Go ahead and say it.
Okay. What is the range of an excuse? If I put an excuse in a gun and shot it, how many meters would it go?
The answer is 0 meters. And our dad used to say that to us all the time because it's true. I can make up all these excuses, all these other things of why or but or because. Doesn't matter. If you really want it, you'll do it. Put them excuses inside an AK-47. How far can we shoot them things?
You ain't got no bullets.
It'd just be blanks going straight down. Matter of fact, it might be falling down, but it's pushing you back. It has no power but to stop yourself and push you away from what your purpose is. Mm-hmm. See, if you don't break through that barrier of resistance, you're going to get stuck and it can slingshot you back. And I think the people, which is at one point why I stopped, I can say this from experience. People who are trying to reach that goal and trying to break through and really are having a whole lot of resistance, and this is a level they hadn't been on before, and how do I break through? They slingshot hard. It's because there's so much love that they want to get on the other side, but this thing is just feeling like it's too much in their mind.
There's some kind of fear, some kind of barrier, and literal barrier stopping you, so you create more barriers.
Right, not even realizing it.
You know what this is reminding me of? You know, actually, this past weekend had some black belts test in Taekwondo.
Nice.
Some of them got their.
Did they get it? Some of them didn't.
No, everybody broke the board.
Oh,
they look pretty good. But what it's reminding me of is breaking a board.
Breaking
That's
that resistance.
Of course, we heard Bruce Lee say that boards don't hit back, but boards are a great training tool to help you physically see the barrier that you have to go through.
Although that's a cold line right there. When you say it to somebody trying to show off to you, that was some good writing.
That was some good
All
writing.
he said,
boards don't hit.
Boards don't hit back.
Yo, that was yeah. Everybody's like, ah! Yeah.
But you're making a great point. You're making a great point.
So using the board as a training tool, this is one thing that you could take for yourself. You could find something that you're trying to break through, whether that's depression, anxiety, negative thoughts that plague your mind. Maybe it's something that you've just needed to be able to let go of, but you can't. This is one thing that you can do practically for yourself to start physically seeing and overcoming to be able to break those barriers. Just get a piece of paper. You can write the phrase, I've always wanted to, but you can put all your excuses on there. Or if it's just one thing you're trying to overcome and you want to focus on it, write that on that piece of paper. And what everybody has the capability of doing is ripping that sheet of paper.
I was going to say punch through it.
If you want to do that, you can do that. If you want to crumple it up, throw it away. But break that negative thought that you do not want living in the garden of your mind. Get rid of it.